Hello guys, welcome to Zaitun Tat Plus channel on YouTube. Today in this lesson of CSS, we will know more about CSS and what we can do with CSS. First of all, we should open our bracket and our live preview. We have added some basic codes of HTML in here, body tag. Now we don't need to add any more tag in here. We come to our style.css, and here we type body. We want to add a background image in here. We come to our CSS tutorial, lesson 11, image. We have 4 images in here. We want to add the home as background. We come to our CSS, and here we type to go one folder back, then image, then home. Now we see that this is our background, but if we zoom out, it will duplicate, but we want the image should not duplicate. Background repeat, no repeat. But we want to add some other styles for our background. We add background attachment fixed. Then in here we type background position. Background position, center on top or center on center. Both should be center. If we do this, our image will be in the center. Now we want to control the size. Background size 1. Background size, we want to make it cover. If we use the cover, if we zoom out, or we zoom in, it won't change because we have used cover. If we do like this, the image size will be covered. And we have one more option in here, content. If we use content, it will use the full weight of the image. If we zoom in, zoom out like this, the other parts that are missed, they will be our background color. If we add background color, and here we copy this color. This is the style that we have in here. Now we want to add some other styles. To add some other styles, we come and comment body tag. Now we add another body. But we add a class for this. Class body1. Now we save this. We come here and we have learned how we can comment CSS. Like this, we comment our CSS. Now in here we come and add our class body1. Background image, URL, image. We come and add VPS in here. Now we want to make it center. We have did it in here. But we want to add another image. To add another image like PNG image, we should copy this and paste it before this, because we need to have two images. And here we have logo.png. we have added. Now we see that we have it in here, but we want the background should be repeated for this, not for our logo should be one and should be repeated for this. To do this, we come and we have typed no repeat for the first one, then comma, repeat. We see that our second image will repeat, but our logo won't repeat. Or we can use some other options like we delete this. Background size, first one should be R2 and second one should be cover. Now we see that our second will be covered, but our logo won't be covered. Now we want to comment this one too, because we want to add some other styles. Now we come and add body. But in our body I want to add some divs. I come to libsyn.com and I want to generate one paragraph. One paragraph is enough. In here type text 1, text 2, and text 3. We have saved this. Now we come to our style.css. I want to add a background color. Class body 2, background color all is blue. Now I want to add a style for my paragraphs. In here we have added class for them, and class text 1, text 2, text 3, and these three classes. Now we come and add an style. I want to add an style for class 1. For class 1, I want to add a color. Text 1 color should be red, and then I want to add a background image. Background image WordPress. This is our background image. Now I want to change the color. This is the color that I want to use. This is the color that I want to use. I want to add some other styles for this. weight should be 400 px. No, 400 px is not enough. 700 px. I don't use the height. Now I want to use the X-align should be center. I want to add padding for this. Padding should be 50 px, and I want to add margin 50 px. $550 px. Now I want to copy this tree. We have 3 of this. I want to add border for this. Border should be dotted. Border should be dotted, and 10 px, and color should be black. I have added this. I want to copy this. Now I want to add another options that we can have. It's background clip. For background clip we have border box. If we use this, we don't see any changes. But for the second one, we want to use background clip content box. For this padding box. Background clip for this content box. We see that in the first one for border box, our background include the border too. But if we use padding box, it will contain only padding and content, not our border. But if we use content box, it will be background for our content only. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Have a nice day.